watching JNC's Corner.
Kasalapihin. Mabaon kayo nung nangakwa. Mga binigan nyo po amin na po at ay pinagyan na rin ka. Tatataramidan nyo, mahala kayo sa yun to, tukawakan, tanong buntak, tanong arayo nangyari, argayunog na. Yan mo papel na keep for your effort. Thank you very much. Okay, mami, ready ka? Ready namin, first time mo ba?
Second time.
Oh, second time. O, papate ang ating mami. Wow! Masarap ito na. O, naman. Go. Go, pati ah. Allah po. Ito ba? Ito, go. Ang bounce ka mo. Ayun na. Alas na eh. Number na barka. Tao. Ay, sorry. 100 pesos. Wow. Sayaw mo na, sayaw, sayaw. Okay, dito. Ops! Ito. Bakit ko? Busan mo. Busan mo ilan yan. 100 pesos. Ay! Ito pala. Ay! Ako! Talaga! Napisuhan! Ay! 10 pesos! Oh! Sigayan namin! Na! Hindi ka dyan! Lang sa bahay! May! Ako! Ay! Ako! Na! Now! Oh! Ayan! Hindi mo kaya! Ay! Ako! 150! Oh, 150! What's that? Sayaw! 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 Go! Ayun! Magkano ba yan? Baka maalas ka no? Maan! Ay! 50,000! Oops! Napo! Next na tayo something. 150! Next! Oh! Dance mo na! Next! Okay! Ayun, Tope. Ayun. Ma'am, lubasan ka. 150! Yan yung price, ma'am. Another from Spain, di ba? Ayan, yung kape. Oops. 150. Ayan. Sino pa ba? Ayan. Ano? 150. Oops. 150. Ayan. Isa mo natin. Emnin. Gabawakan. Gabawan. Ayun. Ay, sige ko yung 40. Next number. Number 34 is ayan o. 21. Hindi mo gabratin yan. Oh, Ma'am Grace. Ma'am Janet Gabuan.
Happy birthday.
Next is Ma'am May Gabradilia. Ma'am May.
Happy birthday.
Richardson, Ma'am Grace Gabuan Aguilar. Ma'am Grace Gabuan Aguilar. Next is Ma'am Aileen Gagno. Ma'am Aileen
Happy birthday, Jupiter. Sa kailang malapang sa natin mo. Sige si pangarap mo. Basta pa pala. Asutin ko yung tulong mo dito. Good luck sa happy birthday.
Next is Ma'am Esme. So, we'll go on 13 precious gifts or bills para po kay Athena. Okay, raffle na naman tayo. Modesto, press 74, 80, press 7, number 7, we have number 62, 78, we have
Birthday celebration pagdating.
number 6, number 52, 84, 84.
Good evening. I wish happy birthday, and I would like to apologize my brother about your English. And I don't think is a good girl. I was asking her this afternoon what gift she wants. She said she wants $100. So, I'm not from America. We're using another currency. So, instead, I give you $1,000. Happy birthday.
Okay, so yung mga tinatawag ko,
Wish you all the best and nandito lang kami.
Next. Miss Althea Aguilar. Smile lahat, smile. Dito yung cam. Okay. So dito muna mag-start. Blow mo yan, lahat ang umpisa. Okay, mag-wish na muna. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Athena. Everybody stand up. Tayo po tayo lahat. Tayo po lahat. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Athena. Okay, palakpak ako. Sige, thank you very much. Go back to your places now. Construction workers. Ayan, so, ang suswerte naman nila, no? Okay, first is number 8. Okay, next is 7. Next, number 13. Number 13. Okay, number 9. Sila, hindi niya alam na siya yung number 9.
Kasama din.
11. Number 11. Number. Number 1. Number 3. Number 3. Number 6. Number 4. And last is number. Ayan, may nakalitan pa tayo. Okay.
Pag-celebrate yung birthday ni Athena. Acknowledge naman yung may kabisita mi. Lalo kini Assistant District Engineer, Direct Renato Gagno, and his beautiful wife, Ivy Gagno. From Spain, Managuli Cabradilla,
Much later.
Mas maganda pag solo ka.
Four hours later.
go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and